welcome to another vlog and our episode vlog of about lights. I did made a playlist about lights. I hope you find this helpful as well sa mga naghahanap. And thank you sa mga suggestions ninyo about the lights na maganda rin para i-test din as well. So I hope I can do unboxing and testing today. And for those who are curious, can check this out. I'll put the description box below as well. And yeah, thank you so much for those who have already subscribed. And we have many vlogs here today if you're new to my channel. So let's begin. Now we open it. Before I open it pala, pakita ko to sa inyo. Also says energy efficient and flexible neck for easy positioning. Okay. Sensitive touch, light control, 5 levels of brightness, save space. Nakatago pa ito mabigat. Nalolobat na. I need to recharge ulit. Okay, so to continue, comes with this. Ito po. Hindi na siya ganun ka-heavy, pero pwede pang exercise, so. Mother, are you watching? You know? Pwede ko, gawing barbell. Oh, this is the lamp. Look at this. Do check on my previous vlog na explain din po ito na, ni Sir Jerry. So, thank you for, shout out kay Sir Jerry. Very helpful yung explanation niya. And, shout out sa IBRIGHT. And, it comes with this also. Malinaw here. So I hope you guys find this helpful. Thumbs up. We have many episodes here in my vlog. Meron din cooking on Mondays. I try to post it on Mondays. Ito naman comes with a plug like this. So yung may nagtanong sa akin kung USB or USB siya, ito hindi. Yung isang emergency light, I think meron. You check on that. And, ayun. Ito yung mabigat na stand. Ay, mabigat Pwedeng pang exercise. Exercise ko muna sa isip ko. Mabigat 1 kilo ba to? Baka more than 1 kilo. Mabigat ang stand niya. Actually, I saw that yung ginawa yung assemble, pero I'll try to assemble myself. So, let's see. It comes here. It says, IBRIGHT. Model. Model number, i-picture ko na lang. Yan. Screenshot nyo na lang para Okay. And, instructions. Here. Comes with an instruction. Caution for safety that we need to read. So, ganyan ko para ma-picturean, screenshot. Para maalala ka pag nawala ito, meron tayong mababalikan. Share for others that might help. Actually, meron instructions din. Paano to open? Nandito pala Here. Yan. I'll just have to read for a moment. And let's see how it goes in a while for assemble natin together. Gonna do is I'm gonna put this together using the washer and the screw, and I'll get back to you kasi it's taking a long time. Pero ganun gagawin natin. First step. Okay. So there is actually when I saw it, there's like block, just may cover, pero when I pressed it, so pasok na siya. All I have to do is use this screw to turn it around. Sealed na to. Kung ako na nakaganyan, napasok ko na. It's not that hard. You just need pag di pa-assist mo. Pero it's not hard. Maganda may patong ka, hindi magasgas yung floor. Naririnig tuloy yung baksak. Ayan, it's tight na. Uy, mataas siya, mataas. Look. Can you see it? We're going to attach this one. Tanggalin natin ito. So, before I start, oh, this is bendable. See? Bendable. And ano nakasulat dito? Please carefully read the manual before assembling, but mishandling will not cover the warranty. Okay, I got it. Now we assemble. There is something inside here that I need to attach from here. Pwede ito sa mga content creating, di ba? I mentioned before na nag-vlog, so I can use it as spotlight. And all I need to do is the plug. Yung plug niya, it's at the back here. Right here. Yeah, we do this. Okay, and the moment of truth, we're gonna test it, ha? Hope you guys find this really helpful. And so far, I'm okay naman siya, oh. Very steady, heavy duty for me. And then, nagbe-bend pa siya. And then, so thank you also for watching yung other unboxing. Means sometimes there's bloopers and everything. So, I try to, yan. Let's try na. What do you see? Oh, there's a light here. The power is right up here. Yan. And then there's a mood light over here. And yung up and down, will tell kung mas malakas o mas mahina. So let's try. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Oh, it's so bright. So far, yan ang light niya. Hindi masakit sa... yeah, it sets yung sensitivity sa touch, which is true. Now, let's see the mood. So, there's different light. Ito, medyo light yellow. Ito, mas yellow, para aesthetic. Ito, mas bright. So that's good also, no? Din pag nagbabasa ka ng libro, tapos hindi masakit sa ano. And then, yan. We can switch the light mode. I'll put the description box below saan yung po mahahanap. So, I hope you find this another about light episode. And, syempre, sa akin kasi I want to save and share as well. And then, also helpful din sa others as well too. Kaya, yan. There you go. And then now, we tried the up and down, yung volume. Ito. Up. Oh, ang lakas. Oh, wow. Literally na-cover up niya yung mas yung surroundings din sa baba. Oh, laki. Tapos pag mahina, yan pinakamahina niya. Uy, mahina. Pag mas dim lang, hindi kailangan magbasa. Oh, this is very helpful. It's nice. So, my thoughts of this so far, okay siya. Kasi yung light, right now pa lang hindi masakit na sa mata and everything. And movable anywhere. Movable siya anywhere. We can put it in different place. Pwede na ako So, yun. And then, it can be yung sa coffee shop or kunwari mga restaurant, gustong ganito aesthetic, really nice. And sa mga Zoom meetings, yung mga yan din nagpe-fellowship, yung mga ganyan. So, kung kakain ka, content. So, this will be also helpful para pag nagvo-vlog din ako para sa video na content we create, mas malinaw ng konti. So, expect this, makikita nyo to madalas din. So, thank you so much for watching. That's about it for this video. I hope you find this really helpful. God bless and keep safe. Do check on the previous video vlog na different lights na so far na na-vlog ko. Very helpful and informative siya para sa akin. So, I hope you find it very informative as well. Comment down below anong masuggest nyo. Thank you sa mga subscribe na nagsabi na maganda i-test. So, I'm doing the test also as well. So, God bless, keep safe. Until next vlog. Bye for now.